Gearheadgirl here. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this fellow's L80 A4 laminator. So obviously it's for laminating A4 size sheets, and we went ahead and we've got some A4 laminating pouches to go ahead and do a demo as well. So we'll go ahead and just get started. Got the laminator itself wrapped up, your customer service, I guess personal laminator L80 A4 manual. Oh! Oh! It came with laminating sheets. Well, isn't that nice of them? Good deal. Alright. Alright, so this is what you get. And it's got power ready, power cord, your on off. That's about it. Smells nice and new. Alright, so go ahead and plug this in and get to laminating. I'm going to just plug it in. Turn it on. So you can see the power button is nice and red, and I presume it's going to glow green once it's ready. So we'll give it a few moments to warm up. In the meantime, I'll open up these laminating pouches. There we go. So we'll go ahead and open it up and grab our paper. So here we have our L80 A4 laminator by Fellows, and this is what comes in the box. You can see you've got your power light and then your ready light, so it's nice and warm and heated up now. And it also comes with an instruction manual and 10 pouches, which is pretty neat. Alright, so we've got the power light, which has been on, and now our green ready light has come on. So that means our laminator is up to 10. So if you're sticking a photo in, you want to line it up in the center. If you're going for a full page, they want you to center it with full page. So we'll go ahead, this little arrow pointing, insert sealed edge first. So we're going to go ahead and do just that, insert the sealed edge first. And let's see how good of a laminator we got. Alright, so this is our finished product. It came out nice and smooth, pretty decent. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this Fellows laminator. That concludes this unboxing of the Fellows L80 A4 laminator. If you would like your product featured on this channel, please contact me at www.GHG2NZ.com. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you back for the next one. See ya! Be sure to hit the subscribe button and like and comment if you enjoyed this video. If you want to be awesome and provide support for better content, click on the Patreon link in the description below. Check us out online at Gearheadgirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Gearheadgirl69.